Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be relatively simple, quick, and easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if this is your first time using Google Sheets, you're a beginner, or even a first-timer that is just getting into Google Sheets and you want to learn this, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Now, before we proceed, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using, either you are using Mac or Windows like me, is currently up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the way as we do that. Also, if you are interested in watching a beginner's tutorial that covers all the basic functions, how to create basic functions, how to enter and edit data in Google Sheets, how to create a new document in Google Sheets, or other Google software such as Google Sites and Google Slides, please be sure to check out the video that we have posted already. And we already have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel. So if you want more tutorials like this, then go ahead and check that playlist out, and we might be able to help you. Now, conditional formatting is really easy to use, but could be very useful, and its function is will make our life very easy. Now, let's say for example, here is a grading system that I have created. Now, let's say for example, if this section is blank, then it should turn white. That's the condition that we would like to create, because right now it is in color blue. But the condition that I would like to do is that if I erase any of here, then the cell should turn color white. And how do we do that? Now, we can do it manually, but if we have multiple datas, then it will be time consuming, and in terms of effort, it could be a bit tiring. So we can just use conditional formatting as an alternative. To use conditional formatting, I want you to highlight all the cells that you would like to be affected by the conditional formatting, and then go ahead to your search menus right over here. Click on that, or else if you're using your keyboard, then you can press Alt/, and it will still open up the menus section or search the menu section. Now, type in conditional, and as you can see, the first thing that pops up is the conditional formatting. You want to click on this one, and now as you can see, when it comes to the range, it will apply from cell A7, which is this one, to cell C10, which is this one, and that is what we want. Now, here is the condition that we would like to set. So if it is not empty, if the cell is not empty, by the way, you have multiple conditions if that's what you're looking for, but for this one, if the cell is not empty, then we would like to stay on this one. Click on done, and now we can add another rule in which it says otherwise, if it is empty, then the cell should be color white, and that's what we want to happen. So now, as I click done, as you can see, we have two rules that is applied. If the cell is not empty, it's color green. If the cell is empty, then it is color white. Now we can close this one, and now as you can see, if I erase a data over here, the cell automatically turns white, just like so. Any of these datas right over here, it will turn white as I delete the data. As simple as that, we can make our lives easier using the conditional formatting. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.